Many saw the unveiling of the new banknotes for what it really was last week, Tuesday, a distraction from the real issues that are biting the people. It was just another fantasy. How do new banknotes help our people who are trying to survive day to day, living from hand to mouth? How is it relevant at a time like this? Madam Speaker, it will do nothing to help the people ride out the storm. As one man told me, it won't put one more dumpling in the pot. Aside from all the silliness, the approach reflects a deeper issue of arrogant governance. The government chose not to consult with the opposition on the design of the new notes, even though the proposed design involves powerful symbolism affecting some of our great political leaders. No consultation. You just brought it here last Tuesday with a whole bag of hype. That is not how to build a better understanding. That is not how you promote togetherness. That is not how we work together. That is disrespect. And yes, we know the Prime Minister wants his mentor, Mr. Siaga, on a banknote. No problem. If a new $2,000 note is needed, that is fine. Put Mr. Siaga on the $2,000 note. But leave Michael Manley on the $1,000 note.